The first craft I'm going to make is this Mickey Mouse inspired gift box. The gift box came from Michael's. It's a little wooden round box. You could use any shape. They have other shapes. It was just $1. The ribbon came from Dollar Tree. The felt roses came from Dollar General. They were just $1. I tried playing around with this. That one looked a little bit like a bunny to me, so I removed the leaves to place them at the very end. Using my hot glue gun, I just glued on the large rosette and then glued on the two small ones in the shape of Mickey ears. I really like the leaves, so I added them on the bottom, and I think it looks really sweet. For a little bit of embellishment, I decided to put some ribbon on the side of the box. I just used a dab of hot glue. You could glue it all the way around, but sometimes that rumples the ribbon, so I just added a few dabs. I think this box is so sweet. You could put a little gift for someone, some candy, or a sweet little note tucked inside. It also makes a really cute tiered tray decor piece. For my next craft, I'm going to do this really romantic Mickey-inspired garland. Here are the supplies you'll need. The Valentine shaped wood cutouts came from Dollar Tree, as well as the twine and the pearls. These rhinestones came from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I've had them on hand. You can buy them easily and they're not very expensive. First, you'll want to cut your twine to the length that you want and double it up so that you can loop it through and have two pieces. Now you can either choose to string the pearls on both pieces of twine or individually. For this one, I decided to do individually. You can make this as long as you want, just personal preference. Tie a knot at the end, leaving a little bit of wiggle room for the beads. Next, you'll want to make a tassel by wrapping many times around your fingers, keeping that loop and then tying it on the end of your garland. Add a little detail to the top of your tassel by winding that around and tying it off. Next, you'll want to just snip through that loop, clean up the edges, and you've got a pretty tassel. To give it the Mickey detailing, I simply added some of the rhinestones. You could add as many hidden Mickeys as you like. I just put one on for this one. I also added this really pretty rhinestone, I guess they're like stickers, around the edge of the tassel, and I think it looked really, really romantic and pretty. You'll just want to use your hot glue gun to glue on those rhinestones, and then I used a little bit of hot glue and put on this really pretty ivory rosette. Here's another example. For this craft, we're going to make a really cute romantic house. This is perfect as an individual tier tray item or just out on a counter or any other place in your home. This little house came from Michael's. The scrapbook paper came from Hobby Lobby. It's just 4 for $1. The little house was just 99 cents. Simply trace around the house, cut it out, use my glue stick and stick it down. Trim up the edges. I decorated it on both sides. Next, you'll use these pearls, which are also from the Dollar Tree, as well as the twine. You'll want to string on 11 pearls, which will be the face. And tie that together so it's a circle. I added a dab of hot glue just to keep it secure. Next, you'll want to string on 4 pearls, which will be one of the ears. Then all I did was tie that on, add a dab of hot glue, and snip the end off. Next, you'll want to do 4 more pearls, which will be the other ear. You'll just repeat the process by tying it on, adding a dab of hot glue. Now you have a cute little pearl hidden Mickey. Just center this on your house, add a dab of hot glue to the top and the bottom. You could glue all around if you want, but this held really, really well. Next, I'm going to add these really pretty little hearts. These are also from the Dollar Tree in the Valentines section. You could add red. I decided to go with pink. This is really pretty and romantic and can go anywhere nicely in your home. For my last craft, this is just an easy, simple way you can put some candy into a jar or these plastic hearts which were from the Dollar Tree. I simply wrapped some twine from the Dollar Tree around this jar, which I also got at the Dollar Tree. You can also find these at Dollar General for $1. Added some pearls and glued on some hearts on the end. Next, I used my Mickey template and cut out a Mickey from the foam. The foam is from the Dollar Tree. You could glue this on the outside, but I decided to put it in the inside and it stays really well. And then you can fill it with either candy. I put in these hearts for now, but I would put in some candy. Next, I took this rhinestone stickers from the Dollar Tree and added a little detail around the top, just to give it a little bit of bling and a little bit of romance. You're going to repeat the other string with the same pearls and heart detailing. This is so sweet and so pretty with a little hidden Mickey and a cute way you can gift some candy. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you felt inspired to make something and enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun creating these, and I think they look so romantic and so pretty for Valentine's Day. Thanks again so much. Please comment, like, subscribe, and come back next week for another video. Bye!